What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLUG stock. And first of all, brief information about this company. Plug Power Incorporated provides hydrogen fuel cell turnkey solutions for the electric mobility and stationary power markets in North America and Europe. It focuses on proton exchange membrane, fuel cell and fuel processing technologies, fuel cell battery hybrid technologies, and related hydrogen storage and dispensing infrastructure. The company offers its products to retail distribution and manufacturing businesses through the direct product sales force, original equipment manufacturers, and dealer networks. So, they produce not only the mobile solution with their technologies, but also stationary technologies. And in my opinion, these technologies are more promising than the, for example, hydrogen-powered electric vehicles. And before we dive deep into their financials, let me make you the announcement. If you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. Let's continue with their financials. Their total market cap is $14.76 billion. They have a negative revenue of $100.47 million, with, of course, negative net income of $561.68 million, and a negative revenue growth of 143.64%. They have a total cash of $1.31 billion with a total debt of $715.12 million. They have a rather good current ratio. Basically, they have very good current ratio of 6.79. It is highly above average required level of 1.5, at least 1.5. And you might wondering, why do they have a negative net income? And here is the answer. The company had offered warrants of Plug stock to big customers like Amazon and Walmart in exchange for fuel cells they bought. In other words, Plug Power pays to their customers in order to they use their products. And basically this is very brave, and you have to be 100% certain with your technology and with your products. This might be the only case how you can acquire new big customers like Walmart and Amazon. And in future, of course, Amazon and Walmart will pay for the products, for the solutions of Plug Power. But for now, we can see this negative revenue. And we have some more concerns about this company, and let me show you this. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on April 21st, and it's titled, "Has Plug Power stock reached an attractive entry point? Analyst waits in." And let me quote you this. In March, the company announced it will need to refile its fiscal 2018-2019 financial results along with some recent quarterly statements, after an audit found non-cash related errors while the company was getting its 10K filing ready, after which the stock continued its slide. And let me quote you Mr. James West, and he said, "While the stock has been depressed due to recent accounting and reporting issues," the analyst said, "we believe the current price, below $30, represents an attractively entry point for a company with significant long-term franchise value and represents a rapidly growing market." And let me show you that from different agencies we have the estimation market size of, for example, hydrogen fuel cell vehicle market of more than $42 billion by 2026 at a compound annual growth rate of whopping 66.9%. And the next estimation is right here, that the global fuel cell market size was estimated $10.48 billion in 2019, registering the compound annual growth rate of 15.5% over the forecast period. And here is the forecast itself. We can see the consistent growth of this market, and this information gives us a conclusion that Plug Power works on a booming market, and this market will increase drastically in nearest future, and that's why Plug Power has very good position and has a very good potential to grow. On top of that, one of their latest news is that Plug Power invited to bid for $520 million DOE loan guarantee. And as you can see, this is the first of several steps in the process to secure a conditional commitment and final law agreement from the DOE. DOE is the Department of Energy. And Plug Power is building a 500-ton green hydrogen network by 2025, and the DOE loan guarantee supports the first phase of its company's build-out. Upon receiving approval, Plug says it would utilize its electrolyzer, liquefaction, and distribution technologies to deploy the first resilient network of zero-carbon hydrogen production facilities across the United States. Plug Power and Brookfield Renewable Partners recently unveiled plans to build a green hydrogen production plant in Pennsylvania. And in my opinion, the main focus of this company is to produce stationary fuel cells. And with this intention, I think they will reach their targets. And as you can see, we are on investor presentation on the Plug Power website. And they said that Plug Power is on track for its 2024 vision. They targeted to have $1.2 billion in annual sales, $200 million in operating income, and $250 million in adjusted EBITDA. But for now, we still have this huge decline, and this uncertainty represents these filings among institutional investors. As you can see, some of institutionals closed their position. Some of them just opened, but these positions are rather small, except this one. They opened position for more than $5.5 million. But nevertheless, you have to be extremely cautious, and you have to realize all the risks involved in this investment. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video right here at this top, and let me show you indicators. We were on a daily time frame extremely overbought, and that's why I encourage you not to enter your position as an investor. Instead, just try to catch the trade, and here was the trade. We had a stop loss of around 9%, and it depends on the entry price. It might be even lower with the accumulation point, with the different accumulation point. And we hit the stop loss. And by hitting the stop loss, some of you might protect your capital from massive sell-off of more than 60%. And that's why you have always have the strategy how you enter the trade and how you leave the trade. Only in this case you will be profitable in the long run. From the investment standpoint, I encourage you not to enter your position at this point, because even on a weekly time frame we had this very overbought RSI. This means we had to have a retracement, and it happened basically. And for now we hit 0.65, 0.618, and on weekly time frame we have this bounce, and it might be rather good sign. It might be basically very bullish sign if we will have more green volume with this candle, and this candle closes above the yellow 55 exponential moving average. And let me show you my Elliott wave breakdown. Let's switch to daily time frame. And right here we can see weird structure, but if we switch to log scale, we will have this price action. And right here we can see that this might be the first wave, this is the retracement, this is the third one, fourth retracement again, and extended fifth wave right here. And that's why we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of entire structure right here to the top of the structure. That's why we have these levels of potential landing the retracement wave. What should you do if you want to invest in this company? Basically, we have a rather good price according to company's fundamentals, and we have to keep in mind that we can go lower, and basically we can have two major accumulation points. First accumulation point might be at 0.65 level, and second accumulation point might be at 0.786 level. This will give you a huge opportunity for the potential gains. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!